Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today is Monday, it's a beautiful day and we have some friends all the way from Connecticut right there.
You don't have a scan.
Y'all so dry.
What happened? Oh, my fault. I didn't know.
Okay, so we're gonna make 4 chop cheeses. This is the bread. This is special bread, always fresh. So this is the first step. We're gonna put some butter on the bread. Okay, at this. And it's only now. Okay. Now this is the bread. You wanna say anything to the channel?
If Vic doesn't get famous, like in the next year, I'm gonna get angry.
Okay.
It's like the best chop.
Okay. Well, that's very kind of you. So now we're gonna put all the meat. All of them are the same, right? So this is the meat. This is special. Basically, a chopped cheese is a burger chopped in small pieces. Like this. So this is chopped cheese. Wow. Look at this. Since our 4 chopped cheeses on the hero, we're gonna have to use seven burgers. We have 5 over there. Some black pepper. Salt. We're gonna use some sazon. This is the sazon that we use here in the store. That's from Goya. It's a very delicious sazon. Give it a good flavor. Okay. So now, the more sazon. Now I want to flip it. You like the way I'm doing?
Hey, bro.
You like the way I'm doing this? Okay. That's nice, right? Like it, Elvis? Okay.
You did a perfect job, bro.
Thank you, brother. Let me say something. I've been working here in the store almost 4 years and it's been a great experience. You know, at the beginning I didn't know how to make any sandwich, but then little by little I started learning. And now I'm improving more and more because, you know, flavors, it's always good to improve. And it's always good to share, and especially if you know what you do, it's much better. Smells good, Elvis?
Hell yeah, bro.
Put the sauce. And some ketchup. Over here. Okay, Elvis. So now, my friends, it's time to add some mayo on the bread, like this. This is a special mayo that we use in the store. It's very delicious. Okay. Now we want to use some tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. Brother, tell me how it looks, this chopped cheese over here.
Looks badly.
How are you, brother? What do you think of the chopped cheese?
It looks great.
How about you?
Yo, I really can't wait to try this.
Yeah, I can wait to try it too. Looks really, really delicious. Now, we don't have enough tomatoes, we're gonna cut off. Okay. So we're gonna use these tomatoes. Now we want to add some lettuce. Okay.
Whoa.
What's the best part of trying a chopped cheese, Elvis?
Honestly, bro, the seasoning.
Season it?
The seasoning.
Yeah. I like the color. When you add enough, sazon, enough seasoning, I like the red color it turns. Look at this. Look at this. Oh wow! I'm starving now. Okay. Wow! Look at this. Look at this, Elvis. Okay, so we're almost done. And now we want to wrap the sandwiches the best way we can, because these sandwiches are not easy to wrap since they're big. But the most important thing, they're delicious. Okay, so this is how we wrap the sandwiches. Everything inside. You want to try it, my friend? One of your sandwiches? Try it a little bit. So tell me how is the flavor. Let's first hand try it.
It's good, guy?
It's good?
Good.
Okay, that's good news, you know. So next time you come by visit us here in the Bronx, we have some sandwiches for you, waiting for you. And, you know, because the Bronx is a good place where you can have a delicious chopped cheese. The history says that it was created here in the Bronx and also part of the Harlem. And that's good, you know. It's good to share, good to have some unique food right here.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
All right, guys, you hear it. You hear it. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for coming to visit us all the way from Connecticut. Thank you.